Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be recreating Black Girl in Trader Joe's corn chowder. Okay, so we're going to jump right in. We're going to, if you have pork belly, she used pork belly on her video, but I just have some thick cut bacon and I'm going to cube it up and brown it in the pan with some onions. Okay, while we are browning the bacon or pork belly, you want to shuck your corn and just kind of remove all of the corn kernels into a bowl. And then she did this cool thing where she milks the corn, which is turning the knife around the other way and just kind of getting all of the starchy pieces off of the corn. And then you just put it in a bowl and save it until later. All right, so after you have browned your bacon or your pork belly, you want to chop up some onion and add that to your bacon and just get it kind of translucent and mixed in well with the bacon. Okay, so as far as seasoning goes, I used a garlic and herb seasoning. I used garlic powder, as well as some rosemary. You guys can use whatever seasoning you like. She used a bunch of different seasonings that she got from Trader Joe's, so it's kind of whatever you like to put in your soups or your chowders. Okay, so this is where I added something that she didn't particularly add in her own. I like veggies and pretty much everything, so I added sliced up pieces of carrots, and she did add potatoes, but I did baby potatoes. And so you'll want to boil that all together with the bacon and the onions and your seasonings. And I just kind of added a chicken stock, but you can add water or chicken stock. And I also added a chicken bouillon cube. Okay, so you'll want to give it a boil, like a nice slow roll, and then add in your heavy cream, and then add in all of your corn and make sure you get all of the juices at the bottom because that's the starchiness from the corn. Okay, so here you'll see me adding in more seasonings. And I also added in minced garlic. You can add this or you can kind of omit this piece, but I love garlic in pretty much everything. So you'll just want to boil this and you're good to go. Okay, so at the very end, you add in whatever type of cheese you'd like to add, or you can just add it on the top of your serving. I just did a shredded Gouda cheese, and then I'm going to serve it with toasted naan bread. And voila, your dinner is served. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you follow and subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much.